How can I make my HVAC system last longer? The best way to make your HVAC system last longer is to change the air filter every 1 to 3 months, keep the outdoor unit clean and clear of debris, and schedule a professional tune-up twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. Think of your HVAC system like your own body. If you never change the oil in a car or never clean the air filter, it has to work way harder to do its job, and that extra strain wears it out faster. A dirty filter is the #1 killer of these systems because it blocks airflow, forces the unit to strain, and can even cause the whole system to freeze up or overheat. Something a lot of people do not know is that the outdoor unit, called the condenser, needs at least 2 feet of clear space around it so it can breathe properly, so you should never stack boxes, plants, or mulch right up against it. Also, your vents inside the house should never be closed or blocked by furniture, because that messes with the pressure inside the system and can crack parts over time. A well-maintained system can easily last 15 to 20 years, while a neglected one might only make it to 8 or 10. Setting a reminder on your phone for filter changes is one of the simplest, cheapest habits that adds years to your unit's life. One common mistake is waiting until the system breaks down to call someone, when small yearly checkups catch problems early and save you thousands of dollars down the road. Another big misconception is that a bigger, more powerful unit is always better. But an oversized system actually cools your home too fast, never runs long enough to remove humidity properly, and wears out quicker from constantly turning on and off. People also forget to clear leaves and grass clippings away from the outdoor unit after mowing the lawn, so a quick rinse with a garden hose every month or two keeps it running smoothly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.